Mega shout out, welcome to Pure Stone Heart. And for today's video guys, again we will do another our favorite video, unboxing video. Again, disclaimer guys, this is not to brag, okay? And this is an unboxing video, so let's do this. So okay, so what I got here guys is this one. First is a pair of RBK slip-on. So I love the color. See, I love this color guys. The size is 40. Supposedly I am looking for 42 that fits my 42 is the size of my feet. So but since I love the color and I never found 42, so I take size 40. So I hope this will find in my feet, or else we will, I don't know. But I love the color guys. It's I don't know the color of this. Okay, so very nice and seems it's comfortable. And the second one is this one. The combination of my two favorite color, orange and blue. So this one, when I tried this one, this was my first choice. But it's kinda like affordable guys. It's not that much expensive. So I get the two pairs of it. So this one. And supposedly guys, this is the only another one is so I have here a Puma, a simple black cup. So the design is very unique, simple, and it's really fits so well in my hair. So my hair. So I love this one. So when I saw this one, it got attracted to me. Now next guys. Okay, and the next one guys is this one. This Tommy. And when I saw this one guys, I cannot resist to take this one and so I cannot resist to take this one guys. It's affordable, less price, and I guess this is my first ever branded slipper. And I will show you on this guys. Oh, so the box have here the cartons, and then this one. There you go. The slipper. A very lightweight slipper guys. And I love also the color. It's black and dark gray something. I don't know what's the color, but it says there light gray. It says light gray. So the only one pair of, what do you call this one, this pair in the shop. So I grab it. So the size is 80, I believe. The size is 8 medium. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog, and for those who wasn't able to, so thank you so much for watching my vlog, and for those who didn't able to subscribe my channel, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be able to be notified on my next video. Thank you, like and support guys. This has been Pure Stone Heart, and thank you. God bless. Spread love and positivity. Mwah.